everybody, welcome back to another video. It's me, Morgan Ashfire, and today, well, I noticed I didn't have any more contact solution. So I was like, I can't do another slime video for my viewers. But then, I had an idea, and we could use laundry detergent, because that is an activator you can actually use for slime. So we're going to be using that today, and we're going to be making, like a type of fluffy slime. I feel like it's really fluffy, just for some reason. And yeah, it seems pretty fluffy, as you can see there. So we're going to be making that today. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. And yeah, let's get into the video. The ingredients you're going to be needing for this video are laundry detergent, food coloring if you want to color your slime, almond school glue, a bowl and a spoon, and cornstarch. Okay, now you're going to get your bowl and your spoon and your glue, and you're going to pour really as much as you want. If you want to make a big slime, you can. I'm going to make a good size slime. So I'll do about that much glue. That's how much I'm doing. You can do more. You can do more or less glue. I just want to do that much. If you want to make a bigger slime, do more, smaller. Yeah. So now, get your cornstarch. And there's no really exact amount you need, but like 2 scoops. 1. If you're adding like a big slime, you might want 3. I'm just doing good. If you're doing small, you want 1. So now you want to mix. And immediately when you start mixing, it actually starts like thickening up. I actually did an experiment, and I was trying to like add to see if like how much cornstarch and glue, like if you can make slime out of that, because it seems very thick right now, but it's actually not slime. So I did that and it didn't work. Okay, so next we'll add your food coloring. So one thing, this right here is blue. So if you're using the same one, you want to use a color that will look good with it because it's going to mix. So you can either do pink, so that makes like a light purple, a green to make a turquoise. I'm going to make a green. I'm going to make like a turquoise color, so I'm going to add some green, and then the blue will make it turquoise. Okay. So now you want to mix. Alright, now you mix. Now it's time to okay. Now it's time to activate your slime. So you don't make sure to get parents' permission to use this first, and it pours out pretty fast. So add a little at a time. That's how much I'm adding first, because it actually takes a little bit. It's trying to thicken up, as you can see. It still needs more, even though it's unsticking. Still needs some more. So you want to add some more. Add some more. Mix. Gonna test. Getting there, but still very goopy, as you can see on my finger. Now, cute. Like flew across a bit. Okay. starting to become slime. Mix some more. Just mix. It's getting very thick. A little bit more. That's a lot more. I'm gonna say use. Okay. My arms starting to get very tired. Okay, I think it's pretty good to start kneading. I don't know, is it time? I don't think so. Maybe. Now you just want to knead because you want to make sure your slime's not sticky. It's very strong. Oh wait, one thing. I feel like it's not as fluffy as the other one. Yeah, is it the cornstarch? I'm gonna add some cornstarch from the bowl. Does that might be how it's fluffy. Let me get all the bowl excess off. Ooh. I just like getting the bowl excess. You didn't get much. Need some more. It's actually not as sticky as the other one because the other one is really sticky. I'm gonna see one thing. Yeah, it kind of is sticky. I'm gonna see if I add more cornstarch if it makes it fluffier. I just want to see that because the last one was really fluffy. So I don't know if it's the cornstarch. Okay, let me mix this together. Oh, very goofy. Oh yeah, I think it actually is. Because it's getting fluffier. Wow, I'm getting cornstarch all over myself. That was a bad idea. I'm really messy right now. Okay. Besides that, it actually makes it way fluffier. So, tip, if you add more cornstarch, it makes it fluffy, it seems like. But if you don't want it to be fluffy, I guess you just add less. Oh, that was a cool experiment. Let me get... I'm going to add a tiny little bit more Tide to make sure it's fully activated. I don't want to add too much because then it might overactivate. I don't know if you can really overactivate this type of slime. I love when you spread it around. It's so glossy. All the cornstarch off my table. And if you want to, I have lotion right here. If you want to make it softer, just add some of this, and then it will become if it's very whippy and stuff, just add some lotion, and that will make it softer and stretchier. So that's how you actually make this. Get off me. That's how you make this slime. Make sure if it's too sticky, just add some more Tide. But make sure not to add too much. If you do, by accident, just add some more glue because that always fixes it. So yeah, this is how you make the slime. I love the color that I made. It's really minty, I guess. Thank you guys. Stop. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.